What's up, you guys? It's Heavy Metal, or Chaz from Heavy Metal Air here today, and we got an unboxing video. If you follow us on Instagram, you would see I posted what is one of the pieces out of like a few that are in here. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing. I got this package from Airsoft GI. The shipping I wasn't too crazy about. I mean, they did a pretty good job, but I wasn't too crazy. And the quality, it got banged up a little, so, but at least it got here. Sorry about the camera angle. I don't got anything to set it on. Okay, so got your wrapping paper. The first thing y'all can see is we got a Lancer Tactical tan plate carrier. I will put a review up on this separately just so I can get more videos out on the channel. So please hit that subscribe button. But yeah, that's one thing. It's in tan. As we come in here, here's some more things. We got 10 King Arm M4 style, or M16 style, but basically the same thing. 120 round mid caps. They look pretty sturdy. Like I said, I'll probably just get the video up. I'll probably do like a feed to show you how good they feed. Over here we got our battery. It's a 1600 milliamp 8.4 volt small type. It looks by TSD Intellect, whatever. Smart charger. You know, can never go wrong with smart charger. Now let's hear that it was already open, but it looks like everything is a-okay. You got some Airsoft 101 pieces. Paper, I guess it's for new players. And roll of duct tape, packing slip, and the gun. Okay, hold on, let me move this box out of the way. Well, here it is. See which way we get it. Get it. Y'all can hold up real quick. Sorry about that, you guys. Well, there it is. It is a A&K Masada, licensed by Magpul in black. It actually looks really, really nice. They say it's got a fully operating charging handle. Click. Pretty nice click. Like I said, full Magpul. Comes with a P-Mag, 300 rounds. I hear there's a decent mags. I personally do not like high caps, so I might not use this, I don't know. You got your BBs, your little thing, your forearm, your front side looks like a scar type. Just a tool and an jamming rod. Well, if y'all would like to see separate videos, I'm going to do a review on most of this, and we're going to do a shooting on this gun, and I'll talk to you guys later. Please like, subscribe, comment, rate, everything like that, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all next time.